Welcome to My Chefin'. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we are making
some quesadillas.
Not just any quesadillas though. What kind of quesadillas, Ian?
We're making a zucchini, this is a vegetable quesadilla.
That's right. This is for our vegans in the house.
Yes.
Well, not vegans, right? Because, well, yes and no. See, the cheese that I have, you'll have to get some vegan cheese. Because this is not vegan cheese. No. But my vegetarians, come on over, honey.
Oh, yeah.
Now, vegans, I got love for you. You can do this too. Except that you got to substitute my pepper jack cheese, and my, what kind of cheese does E?
It's white cheddar.
My white cheddar with your vegan cheese. Yeah. But my vegetarians, we got some mushroom here to replace our meat. Because it has a meat sensation because it's the umami feel. And we got some zucchini, and we have some yellow squash, and we got some caramelized onions. Ooh. And we have our condiments that go with this. We have our salsa, but not just any salsa, you know, because if we have a little heat or whatever, which we do have some slap your mama season that we put on our veggies here. We got to have a little bit of, now I don't know if you guys know this. If you know, then that's awesome. If you don't know, then I'm going to teach you. When you are eating something that has a little heat to it, the best thing is not to drink water, definitely not soda, because it's only going to intensify that heat. It's to have something that has a little sugar in it. You can either put some sugar in your mouth. You know, some people put milk, but sugar is really like the #1 thing that helps cool down that heat. Oh, and so the salsa we have, it's mild salsa, but it has a little peach in it, which gives you the little sweetness. And we have our sour cream, and we have our guacamole. And we have our tortilla and our butter to make our quesadillas. So we have 2 cheeses here. We have our pepper jack, as well as, because, you know, I just love some spice in my life because spice is it. I'm making it and kind of grow up and come to some spices, you know, and some white cheddar.
Yes.
So let's get into our vitamin content.
Sounds good.
All right. Our flour tortilla has niacin, thiamine, riboflavin, folic acid. Our mushroom has vitamins B1, B2, and niacin. Our onions has vitamins B6, C, folate, magnesium, and potassium. Our zucchini has vitamins A, B6, C, folate, magnesium, potassium. Our yellow squash also has the same vitamins, vitamins A, B6, C, folate, magnesium, potassium. Slap Your Mama has vitamins A, C, calcium, and iron. Our pepper jack cheese has vitamins A, B12, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. White cheddar has vitamins B and calcium. Our sour cream has vitamins A, D, E, and K. Our salsa has vitamin C. And our guacamole has vitamins B6, C, E, K, magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acid. Real facts. Did you know that 45% of food stamp users are children? In fact, 16.7% of all children do not know where their next meal comes from. To learn more, you can visit us by going to jedhcdc.org. Ian?
Yes.
Get some pepper jack.
Yes.
All over your board, your pepper jack.
Yes.
Okay. We want to do one because the other one you're going to place on top.
Right.
So they can see you put the pepper jack here.
Right here, right?
No, right here.
Oh, you want it over here?
So you want to make sure, right? Yeah, you want to get them on your corners first because that's your glue.
My glue, the sealer.
Right.
And then put it on the middle, of course.
Right.
All right.
Okay. Now, what else do you want to do, Ian? You want to go down and get what else?
Put some of this on there.
The vegetable, right?
Yeah, let's put some vegetables on there. Some onions. Okay. Right on the side. Or in the middle?
Middle.
Either way.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, okay, this is your yellow squash.
And there's my green.
Here's zucchini.
Some more onions, a little more onions there. Okay. And some mushrooms.
You need some more zucchini. Come on. Look at you.
I'm trying to find it. Here we go.
Okay, let's get another yellow squash up in here.
Okay, another yellow squash. How about 2 of them?
Okay, that's good. There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Now what are you supposed to do?
Put some, actually I can put some cheese.
Right, you want to put some of your white cheddar?
White cheddar on it.
Okay. And then you want to put what?
My mushrooms.
Yeah.
A little all over it there.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. Some mushrooms. Oh, yes.
Okay.
I know we're making a quesadilla, but it looks great, like almost a little mini pizza.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're going to put a little bit more of your pepper jack.
Yes. Close it up. Let me get a little spice in my life, huh?
Oh, you sure do need some spice in your life. You sure do. Uh-huh.
Okay.
God knows you need some spice in your life.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, here we go. So we're going to close it up now.
Close it up.
I'm going to flatten it down.
Mm-hmm.
And just kind of split out everything.
Yeah. And we're going to seal it.
Okay, so I just put some butter in our pan, in our skillet rather.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna put Ian's quesadilla.
My quesadilla and a concoction at the same time.
Okay. Okay. And as the heat hits it, then we'll go in here and seal up. Have gloves on and seal up our edges, but it has to get some heat to it as it starts melting. Then I'll show you that. Can't even contain myself, I'm so excited. I am a first-time author. I have my new book out called A Twist on Boring Salads. A salad a day, 30 days a month. Look at this. All of these salads are in full color. No black and white pictures, so you can see the full-on version of what you're going to be making. So you can get yourself a copy on Amazon.com. Who doesn't love Amazon? So go to Amazon.com. Well eaten. Look at our vegetable quesadilla.
So nice.
Let's get here and let's
hold on one sec. There we go. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Mm-hmm.
What you doing first?
I'm gonna try the
sour cream. Who knew that plain vegetables like zucchini and yellow squash, which is usually very bland,
yeah, tastes is good.
It tastes so good
Mm-hmm.
with some slap your mama seasoning.
Yeah, not only that, but just the texture and it's soft.
So good.
I like the texture of it. And a little bit of the onions in there, the grilled onions. Delicious with mushrooms. Ooh. I'm gonna have it.
You tried it in the salsa yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, got a
little kick. A little sweet. I got this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
This is so really healthy for you.
Yeah, it is. It's really good.
All these vegetables.
Yeah.
Oh, even the guac has a little kick.
I touched guac real quick.
You might want to have a little more sour cream for you to cool your mouth, baby.
That got a kick.
It does have a little kick.
Yeah.
So you might need to cool off your mouth with a little more sour cream.
Yeah, I think so. That's enough. Whoops.
This is really good. This is a nice, healthy alternative for lunch or for dinner, you know? So, here's our call to action.
Yeah.
Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, you let Ian and myself know that you enjoy the content that we're putting out for you. It encourages us to continue to keep going.
Yes, it does.
And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. And you can hit that bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video.
Be part of the Ma Chefin' family.
Be part of the Ma Chefin' family. So
yes.
That's when you want to turn around and share.
That's it.
Sharing is?
Caring. Sharing's very much caring. Share with your relatives. Share with your neighbors. Even share with an enemy. They're all going to want to come and get this food. Everybody loves to eat. Right, Mom?
True.
Everybody loves to eat.
You know, food is the way to the heart.
Oh, yes.
You know, you can become friends from enemies.
That's right.
With food.
That's exactly true.
Especially if it tastes good, honey.
Yes.
So, if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs.
Yes, we do.
And so I want to thank you for hanging out with Ian and myself today.
Thank you.
By eating virtually. While we ate physically, but you too can eat this physically too, because we showed you how to do it. It's super simple. It's just some veggies that we had sauteed up with a little bit of butter. And you can put whatever seasoning you like. We had put Slap Your Mama, but you can put whatever you like. So we just sauteed some mushrooms, some zucchini, some yellow squash, caramelized some onions. And we just, you know, lightly fried, I guess you could say, our tortilla, because we had it in butter till it was starting to get some color. And the base to all of this quesadilla is cheese. So you can use whatever cheese you like. But, you know, because we know a quesadilla, you know, usually has, depending what kind of quesadilla you're making, but sometimes a little heat to it. So we made sure we had some pepper jack on deck for you. You know, some white cheddar. And so enjoy doing this yourself and let us know how it turned out for you. We do answer our comments.
Yes, I'd love to hear
Ian
it.
has asked for a challenge.
Yes, I have. So please let me know what you're doing, how you made it. I'd like to try it the way you made it. And I will do it on video just to see how it comes out.
And I'm going to hold his feet to the fire just for you guys because I love you guys, Chef and family. I'm not going to let Ian take a sabbatical before he does a challenge. I'm not going to let Ian say something and not fulfill it because he put the challenge out.
Yes, I did.
So now it's time to hold his feet to the fire.
Yes, it is.
And make it happen. Thank you guys so much. We love you guys for hanging out with us today. Bye.
Thank you.